Ever thought of choosing a career where you can make a real difference in young lives? Studying child psychology equips you with the expertise to improve children's emotional well-being. As a qualified professional, you can open doors to exciting careers, such as child psychologist, school counselor, child welfare worker, or behavioral therapist. Adding a child psychology course to your profile not only enhances your skills but doubles your earning potential. Whether you want to work in healthcare settings, schools, or welfare organizations, you can apply your in-demand skills in various professional settings. Above all, you can set yourself up for advanced roles in the healthcare industry. So, get ready to take on leading roles in childcare by learning child psychology with Inspire London College and turn your passion for improving lives into a rewarding profession.